परवरच्या फ्लायओव्हरा विशीं चर्चा करपाक येतिल्ले बसकेंत आमदार रोहन खंवटे बरोबर म्हापशेचो आमदार जोशुआ डिसूजाय आशिल्लो. ब्रेस्तारा स्वता पळोवणी करपाचो, पर्याय काडपाचो, येरादारी करतल्यांक जातले त्रास कमी करपाचो आमदारांचो यत्न.
Pilot plane try to look at traffic management and the inputs that we had given stood by that we had told that this will not work because there are so many hindrances to this particular issue. आज एक पाटे October, November, December tourism footfalls are increasing, have already increased and with the coming season with the way it is, we look at the footfalls to increase further. The tourists connecting to the coastal belt or to south travel by this particular road. We have daily commuters which have been traveling between north and south, which normally need to pass by these particular roads. आता एक particular Porvorim बाजार ते आम्ही वयर नवो ओडीपी रोड काढला त्या जंक्शन आणि कोकेरो रोड टू आमचे छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज जंक्शन is what they have proposed to be closing now to ensure that the work in this particular area the piers असा थंय ते काम करू शकता. आता ही कामां करतले जाल्यार we need to ensure that the ancillary roads are done up, other things are cleared, logistics are in place. So we are able to ensure that a smooth movement of traffic continues when this particular work is happening. We have suggested a lot of more things in terms of opening the new roads, in terms of certain roads which have been become as parking zones. ते सध्या मोटरेबल करचे, more lanes open करचे. सकाळी 10:30 परत आम्ही त्यांना सांगला आम्ही सविस्तर on the highway certain bottlenecks असतात ते हांव जोशुआ स्वतः येतात to ensure that whatever can be found out and found as solutions. Urgent वर्कच्या निमित्तान बेगीन करून घ्या हे आजूय सांगला. PWD मिनिस्टर मी टॉक टू मुख्यमंत्र्याकडे उलयतले.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गवस.